And now it looks like we've knocked out everything except for this widget scripts section. I'll double click on this, and the first violation says elements with keyboard, mouse, and/or drag events must have widget roles or interactive elements. So it says the action that we need to do is to add an ARIA widget role to the element with events or child elements that accurately describe the user options and actions available to the user. Let's click on details to see what's causing this violation. And so it looks like it's here in this section, and I'm going to highlight it and inspect the element. So it looks like this is applying to our qualities section. I don't remember adding any events to this, so I'm not sure exactly why we would add the widget role to this particular section. I'm thinking that it's possible that maybe there's a little bit of an error going on, or perhaps one of our other scripts is adding some kind of behavior to this section. Since I'm not sure exactly what's going on here, I'm going to postpone doing anything accessibility-wise, because in general, we don't want to add additional markup or metadata to our HTML unless we know the reason for it. Otherwise, we could end up giving things meaning that don't actually have meaning. So I'm going to skip this for now. Now I'll go back, and we have one more violation here that says onClick must have a role. I'm going to double click this to see if this is the same div that was causing the violation previously. I'll inspect the element. This time actually it's the selectize input. Unfortunately, because this is a third-party library, we don't have as much control over this, so we're going to let this one go. But if we were really gung-ho about this, we would scour through the options for selectize to see if maybe there is some way to add this role, and if there wasn't, we would submit an issue to the issues for selectize on GitHub to request that this role gets added. All right, I'm going to hit back again, and now we've covered all of our violations. There are still several items in the manual check section, which of course would be a good idea to go through. For the purposes of these videos though, I think you've gotten enough of an idea about how we would approach different accessibility problems and what tools we have to work with to evaluate what those problems might be.